Hi, welcome back to InnoValley Works. In this video, we can see the route optimization feature in Salesforce Maps. Introduction. Route optimization in Salesforce Maps. This feature is designed to streamline the planning and execution of travel routes for field sales and service teams, reducing travel time, improving efficiency, and enhancing customer satisfaction. Overview. Salesforce Maps Route Optimization empowers businesses to manage their field operations effectively, driving operational excellence and delivering superior value to customers. Key benefits: increased productivity. By reducing travel time, field teams can complete more visits or tasks in a day. Cost savings: lower fuel consumption and vehicle maintenance costs by minimizing unnecessary driving. Enhanced customer experience: timely arrivals lead to better service delivery and higher customer satisfaction. Sustainability: optimized routes reduce carbon emissions, aligning with green business practices. Here, the quick demo. A sales representative from a wholesale steel supplier is tasked with visiting steel industries in the Bangalore region. The objective is to optimize the route in order to minimize and reduce the travel time. A salesperson plot the customer location on the maps for today's visits. Open the customer details from the marker layer from the respective folder. Loading the customer details. Just click the Zoom the map to fit your data feature. The location will be Zoom in. Once the locations are plotted on the map, with the help of the selection tool, we covered the plots, then select the Add Route option. Now, the selected customer places are added under the Routes tab. Now, the sales rep adds the starting point for the day's visit. The starting point is plotted on the map. Simply add the starting location to the route using the Add Route option. The sales rep sets the same location as both the starting and ending point of the route. Now click the Optimize button to improve the route efficiency. Wow, look at that! Salesforce has generated an optimized route for visiting today's customers. Here, we can email the route visit plan to the manager and print it for reimbursement and allowance filing purposes. Thank you, viewers. We will meet up with another interesting industry business use case with solution videos.